Welcome to Old Louisville, one of the most colorful neighborhoods in the United States. Old Louisville is known as America's grandest Victorian neighborhood. In addition to charming carriage houses and cottages and bungalows, you'll find brick-lined walkways and a wealth of architectural detail. Most surprising of all are our charming gas-lit walkways where only pedestrians are allowed. You'll see architectural details like stained glass, leaded glass, brickwork, and gas lamps that flicker 24 hours a day. St. James Court forms the residential core of the neighborhood, where old-growth trees provide lots of shade. The Conrad Caldwell House is a famous museum. See where the Bourbon Barons live, the Titans of Tobacco, racetrack royalty in Old Louisville, America's grandest Victorian neighborhood. Louisville Historic Tours is recommended by the New York Times.